This is about our community. Yes. Unit 8. Battle Ward was 6.
Unit 8 Battle Ward.
Yeah, this is about our community. Unit 8.
Battle Ward
was 6.
Local government
area. All the PDP fans in the local government area.
But this is my place.
We are celebrating.
I'm celebrating my brothers. I'm for Kobaga.
I'm celebrating the victory of
PDP Obaseki. In the just concluded governorship election.
On Saturday, today is Thursday.
Yes. It's a victory party. It's a victory party organized by the leader. Monday, Agbeno, aka Ogia, supported by David Eyaria, aka Tupa, authentic, no Mayo, 1+1,
There's no two ways about it. This is what we have been telling them, that Obaseki re-election is not negotiable, and certainly you can see the outcome of the election. So it's accredited one of the best election in the history of Nigeria.
In Africa.
So we hereby say 4+4 Obane. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
My people, now well done. I see them on our brother outside team, Professor Record. And they see me now, I did with Inspector Imade, and he just joined us to celebrate our governor victory, Governor Obaseki. Today, Thursday, 24th of September 2020. We there Evarwe community now, we celebrate the party now with everybody for Evarwe. As now you see now, party they go on here now. So bros, well done, sir. How did you see this victory of our governor?
Yeah, thank you very much. Obaseki is and also with Amino Omode. I am from local government in Uboko, New York. Yes, we so much like is a man that everybody knows, and we believe he can do better, even more than what people think. And Edo is not like Lagos. We cannot fool ourselves the second time. Obaseki is a man that everybody believes.
Talking about trust, yes. What do you really trust him for? What has he done that that make you to trust him? What has he really done that you know that make you to trust him?
Obaseki is a Democrat. And looking at Benin as a whole.
Excuse me. But this Ebola Tinubu say not be Democrat. And the hear from your mouth now say Obaseki na Democrat. And Tinubu talk and say not be Democrat. So how come you can say na Democrat?
You are talking of Democrats. Even Tinubu is not there because when they were fighting about independence in Nigeria, Tinubu were nowhere to be found. Obaseki has come from somewhere to build upon the capacity of Edo State, to make sure those people get the dividends of democracy. And the development in Edo State through Obaseki have been so, in fact, numerous. We cannot count it. when you are talking of education, Obaseki have brought it down to the grassroots, to the people from the grassroots and to the top. Even the teachers are enjoying the online education with systems and the salaries. You can say that Obaseki is not owing anybody, whether pensioner or the workers presently in Edo State. Is the only governor who has not borrowed to finance the development in the state.
Thank you very much. For you now, if you want to say, okay, where you want to make Obaseki for end this career as for this village do the system. Where you want to end the career? You see president, where you want me for end for you now?
Yes, it depends on his own desire. Yes, if he's going to presidency, we support him. Wherever he goes, we go with him and support him. Obaseki is a man of people. He is a person that everybody believes and trusts, and he cannot disappoint you. When you give him your vote, he will count on it and build on it and develop a state for you.
Thank you very much. All right, what's your name again?
Imade. Imade Saturday from Oriom local government.
Thank you, sir.
Boko Ward.
Thank you very much.
Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and right away we're about to start now. And this Ewara community, we are celebrating the victory of our Governor Godwin Nogega Setua Obaseki. So right now, today is Thursday, 24th of September 2020, and we are here, the world chairman of Ewara is here, and the women leader, and everybody. We are here to celebrate together. So please, I want us to stand to our feet. We need a pastor or a bishop, a reverend that will come and open this door for us in prayers. Please, we need somebody, a pastor.
We are here in Ewara community celebrating the victory of our governor, Godwin Nogega Obaseki. And I'm here with our brother here. Brother, please, what is your name, sir?
My name is Matthew Igbinigi.
Matthew
Igbinigi, okay. Vice Chairman, PDP Ward 7 Ikpobaha Local Government.
Okay, this is Matthew Igbinigi, Vice Chairman, PDP Ward 7 Ikpobaha Local Government area. So he came here to celebrate with this, our wonderful people here. Please, how do you see this victory? How do you see this victory?
Governor Obaseki re-election is a victory well deserved. Governor Obaseki is a man, a governor that is loved by the people because of his staff administration, and the people voted for him overwhelmingly, seeing that he has good developmental plans for the people of Edo State, and the people wanted him to sustain it. And in line with that sustainability, they all voted en masse for him. And the result is very, very glaring for everybody to see. Having defeated his closest opponent with more than 84,000 votes, I don't think anybody will still be in doubt of the popularity Governor Obaseki enjoying within Edo State. It's a victory well deserved, and because of Mr. Monday Aminoho, aka Ogia, and David Eyaivia, popularly called Tupac, I'm here to celebrate with them because they are my good friends. While the struggle was on, we were communicating with each other. While they were asking me about the situation report in Ikpobanka, I was also asking the situation report in Oriomo, specifically Ukpato Ward. And the situation report was always favorable in the side of PDP. And having concluded the election and the result declared, Obaseki declared winner, and they called me about 2 days ago that they were going to have a victory party today. So I have no choice to join them because I was also part of the struggle to the success of Obaseki. So I'm here to celebrate with them because they've all done well. The victory of Obaseki is a victory for all. It's a victory for Edo people. It's a victory that the Edo people have been able to liberate themselves from the shackles of those who thought they were Alpha and Omega, who thought they could, play politics with the sensibilities of the people of Edo State. And I'm happy the Edo people spoke with one voice. According to the governor, they spoke with one voice, and even the deaf heard them. And the result is what we are celebrating today.
Thank you very much, sir. We are going to community Akpako Ward celebrating the victory of our great governor, Governor Obaseki. So Mama Epa is here, the ward chairman. So Epa, what's the name, sir?
Thank you very much. I'm so happy. This is Ebarwe in Ukpato. I am the ward chairman here.
Your name, sir?
I am Mr. Friday Osasei Ifesehi.
Mr. Sir?
Friday Osasei Ifesehi, the ward chairman. So I'm so happy. Being here, this is the second time I'll be interviewed here in Ebarwe. I'm so happy for Ebarwe, especially because I never expect that Ebarwe will win, because we have opposition here very much. But now I have seen it is all PDP. So I'm so happy. The winning here, in fact, I can't tell. It is only God that we bless them, because I never expect the winning. So I'm so happy. I'm the ward chairman. The rest members, some will be around any moment from now. But as of now, few of us are here. I want to tell you now that as I'm here now, I don't know what I will say, because the happiness in me is even much.
Thank you very much, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir. And the co-hosts of this very great party that they are doing, celebration that they are doing for our great governor, Governor Obaseki. Please, sir, what is the name, sir?
My name's Comrade David Eyaivia is my name, aka Tupac.
Sir, how do you see this victory, the victory of this our great governor, Governor Obaseki? How do you see it? How do you really rate it? After all the stress, all the campaign, everything you passed through, how are you able to deliver this word for our great governor?
God win, as the name implies.
Okay.
God win.
Okay.
At the end of the struggle, at the end of the travail, God win. So we want to, the victory party that is ongoing, so thank our people for, standing with the with us on the 4+4 struggle. And we give God all the glory. At the end of the day, God win. Benin says, Nongera c'est toi, In all the struggle at the end, Nogera Setwa, he won.
So what kind of development do you want the governor to bring into this community?
Yes, this is the very first community in Orion local government, Evarwe. Is Bini Abraka Road is our priority. Bini Abraka Road is our priority. This road have been abandoned. It's a local government that have produced a deputy governor for 8 years. NDDC rep members, board of oil and gas, and the host, lot of them, and nothing was done. It is Obaseki in the first regime that attempt to start fixing Bini Abraka Road. So because of the distraction, it was distracted, it was being beaten, chastised wrongly, and the project was abandoned. And the governor also reassures in his campaign tour to this world that Bini Abraka Road remain one of his priority projects. And that is what we want from him, because we also want Oriomon to develop. If this road is fixed, Bini Abraka Road is constructed and fixed, the development we are all yearning for will be here.
Thank you very much. Community, this is the councillor of this great ward. Mr. Councillor, sir, what is the name, sir?
I'm Honorable Victor.
Please, can you speak louder?
I'm Honorable Victor Omorojo Omorogiwa, councillor representing the good people of Upato Ward.
Victor Omorojo Omorogiwa.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. How were you able to deliver this word for our great governor? How were you able to do it? After all the struggle, their campaigns, how were you able to deliver this great word?
Well, I want to thank God for my wonderful winning. And this word, let me use that language, it was a targeting word, because a lot of money was imported to the world to deliver this word to APC. But with the effort of everybody in the battle world, we made the progress to deliver the candidate of PDP, God, I say Obaseki.
All right. So you now, as a councillor, what development do you really want this governor to bring into this community, in case so that it will be a point or a remarkable stuff that every people or community will remember their days?
Okay, thank you very much. I want to first of all appreciate my honorable governor, God, I say Obaseki, for helping me to build my primary school here now. They are working over there now.
All right.
And what we need is like, maybe we need a road, a tie road, like from the junction to the end. And like 5 months or 4 months back, oil and gas, that's where a super deck, they came and make sure the road.
Okay.
I pray that God will help my governor to remember this community, because this community is a we have a population here. And I also want to say that my market and the government are collecting revenue in the market at the junction there. But the market is not to write home about. It's leaking. I want the governor to help me, to come and build the market and tie the road from the junction to where the road ends.
All right, thank you very much. We are still in Eware community in Ipako ward, Abi ward, and we are with the ward secretary, the ward general secretary. So please, what is the name, sir?
The Bizube Odion, General Secretary, Upato PDP.
So how were you able to deliver this particular, because I thought it was tough. How were you able to deliver this place for our governor?
It was tough already, but by special grace of God, easy to us to deliver. As a party, we have a very strong structure on ground. So Upato, very easy, 100% PDP deliver it. And special grace of God, we also delivered our LGH, Oriomon, and we deliver our senatorial, we deliver the state. So it is very easy for PDP because we work very hard before the election. There's no two ways about it. we are sure that we are going to win the election because we work towards it and we got it right. And that's it.
Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, we are in Evare community. I'm seeing you here celebrating with these people. So, what is your position in this Evare community?
I'm the chairman of ECA.
The chairman of what?
ECA.
Okay, ECA.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, sir, how do you see the victory of this governor?
Nice.
Well, how were you able to mobilize your people to vote for our governor?
Yes, I'm the one who tell them to the ECA to put for the governor, and we are ready to.
Governor
yes, Obaseki.
Governor Obaseki.
Obaseki.
So, what do you really need in this Evare community as the people in the ECA people in Evare? What do you really need for you to use to how will I put it to help people in this ECA?
It's very good, sir. What I have that as this road be, I like it to maintain from just from road to here, and from that is Sakoba road to Data State, because I'm a data man, and living with Ifanyo Kawa, the same street and the same house, and living here since 40 years.
It's 40 years?
Yes.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. We're here with one of our mother here. She's part of the women that ginger the people in the Evare community to vote for this our great governor, Governor Obaseki. So, Mama, what is the name?
Mrs. Tesi Obasuyi.
Mrs.
Tesi Obasuyi.
What is your position in this community or in this Evare?
A leader in this Evare.
Leader of PDP?
Yes.
Okay. Mama, how were you able to manage the election after all the tension and everything?
Well, we thank God. God was on our side, and we pray to God that victory must come to us, and God really did. We have been praying for it, and God really did it for us, and that's why we have victory today.
As the woman in this party, hope there was no fight, nothing like any hard struggle that caused little death in this community during the election.
No, we the Evare community, we love ourselves. Whether you are in part B or part A, so we love ourselves. So when it comes to election, we love ourselves and do it in accordingly that we don't want any problem in our village. That's why we got it. So
you know, which terrain do you want this our governor to bring into this Evare community?
First and foremost, he have already started it. I myself standing here, I attend the primary school here with a mud house. Before the election, he has started doing the renovation of the primary school for us. And now we are expecting more from him, because he told us that when we with our unit, when we come, when we ask, he will surely do it for us.
Thank you very much for working with that one. This is our great leader here. Sir, please, what is the name, sir?
Mother Amino Ogia by name.
Okay, this is our great leader. This is our Monday Amino, aka Ogia. Is the person that is only hosting this party for the great governor, Governor Obaseki, and sitting here with his friends. So, Daddy, how do you see this election? I think like as it was coming, everyone is coming. How do you really see that tension?
Well, the tension is going to be low because they don't have people on ground. The winning from my polling unit is the winning for all. This is Upato Ward. In the whole region as a whole, the Upato Ward is the senior. And I have to thank Dickie Newman, Ogowe Ugiagbe, Lady Wausumbo, who is the senatorial leader, for the great support they gave to us and to the governor. So we appreciate the governor, we appreciate everything.
This thing has happened now. What is really your take? What do you want the governor to really do for this Evare community, to really enhance the Evare community? And what has he done before that you want to add to?
If somebody is in the street, it's very difficult. Than to say a state governor, you cannot touch everywhere. Where you didn't touch today, tomorrow you touch that place. So what we want here is building our school. If you go there and you see red roof, there are some buildings down on the roofing level. And this road, Bini Abraka Road, and the sport complex, which he promised to build there, is going to do it. I know that is the promise that he gave. He's going to do it.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Sir. As I say now, the party for Evare community, they go on now. So we don't see interview, the people who see interview, ask a question, how they see the election, and I see people now, they see the trick for you, for the celebration, that they eat, and everywhere they go well. So my people, as you see now, we don't choose for this environment now for today. So the people of environment, they tell our great governor now what do they want, as they want to help them continue for their school, where they build, there is their road, then they still talk about someone, they still talk about their good market according to the councillor. So they help and work on the market. So my people, now see this as a celebration of victory for the great people of environment, and that is to show that they really appreciate what our Togba and the Wakansi governor did for the first time we Fete come as governor. So my people, una well done. My name is Remain, una country brother. My name is Remain Osati Precious Osarenko. So I just make a consider to know what they have for Evarwe today. Una well done, my people of Evarwe community and the Ukpako ward. You see them Ukpako ward. You see them now. They are celebrating the victory of Ogbanya, PDP. You see that? You see them, they are celebrating. The women are joining them. The old women, they are joining them. Evarwe is on fire. Evarwe is on fire. Hey. Ogbanya. Ogbanya.
Go,